Everyone needs to check out these inventions. You'll definitely be surprised, so stick around and find out. No, it's not a new movie or web browser. It's the Flexzilla, a cord reel that combines functionality and style with a touch of humor. This clever reel has two cords, a 1.5 meter cord with a plug and another 7.6 or 15 meter cord with a triple outlet. The best part is the transparent design, so you can easily see if the power is on with the green light. Both cords automatically lock in 30 centimeter increments and retract as smoothly as a vacuum cleaner cord. At an affordable price of $12 for the basic model and $70 for the larger model, Flexzilla is the perfect solution for keeping your cords organized and functional. If you thought this tool was impressive, the next gadget is one of those amazing power tools for professionals that truly takes innovation to the next level. The Knipex Bix is the ideal pipe cutter for professionals who demand precision and speed. Perfect for plumbers and electricians, this pipe cutter cuts pipes from 20 to 50 millimeters in diameter without splintering, as long as the pipe is not reinforced and the wall thickness does not exceed 2.4 millimeters. It's also useful for cutting ceiling hardware, and it has a compartment for storing 2 extra blades. Priced at just $44, the Knipex Bix offers an excellent combination of quality and functionality. This is just the beginning, as the next invention is a futuristic tool that will redefine innovation and make your work much more efficient. Turn your chainsaw into a powerful router with the top QSC router template. Ideal for trimming logs and creating pieces up to 30 centimeters thick, this unit is made of sturdy aluminum and steel and is compatible with chainsaws up to 91 centimeters in bar length. With the top QSC chainsaw mill, the router becomes a versatile tool that allows you to get the most out of your materials with precision and efficiency. If you were surprised, the next product is one of those cool tools you didn't know existed, and it's ready to change your perception of what's possible. This impressive light tower not only illuminates, it adapts to your needs with unparalleled flexibility. With a folded height of 1.2 meters and an extension of up to 2.1 meters, the Milwaukee M18 rocket provides powerful lighting in any situation. But it doesn't stop there, because it will impress you. Powered by the red M18 lithium battery, it can provide up to 13 hours of light, depending on the mode selected. With 3 light levels, 700, 1100, and 2500 lumens, and a head that swivels 230 degrees vertically and 240 degrees horizontally, this tower provides full visibility. Weighing only 7 kilograms and available for $170, it combines a combination of portability, power, and durability that makes it an essential tool for any professional. And this is just a glimpse of what is to come, as the next evolution is a revolutionary productivity tool that will truly change the way you work. The Distance 7-in-1 is the ultimate solution for those looking for versatility and functionality in their work equipment. This ingenious product from Distant transforms into a table, workbench, scaffolding, universal platform, cart, and car stretcher, adapting to any need with ease. Capable of supporting up to 150 kilograms, it is available in 2 heights, 52 and 80 centimeters, and combines a plastic table with aluminum legs and a durable steel frame. It includes a built-in ruler and protractor, all for only $140. With the Distance 7-in-1, you'll have the flexibility of a multi-purpose tool that adapts to your projects and everyday needs. Surprised? Get ready for the next gadget, one of those cool power tools for your shop that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without it. Discover the CPK Hybrid, the hybrid crimping tool that redefines performance and convenience. Imagine having the flexibility to work with a 120-volt outlet or the built-in 2-amp-hour battery that can effortlessly handle up to 8,000 tires. With an incredible capacity you won't believe of up to 92 tires per minute and a reel that holds up to 5,000 units, the CPK Hybrid is the perfect ally for any clamping task. It's not only efficient, it gives you the freedom to work anywhere without restrictions. This is just the appetizer, because what follows is an innovative tool for DIY enthusiasts that'll make your projects easier and more exciting. When it comes to bending tubes with precision and power, the Robend 4000E is the tool you need. Although bending robots like the bender from Futurama are not yet available, the Robend 4000E stands out as the best alternative for plumbers and air conditioning installers. But all of that pales in comparison to what I'm going to tell you. Equipped with a rechargeable battery, this powerful tool can bend up to 60 28mm copper pipes on a single charge. and handle pipes up to 35 millimeters in diameter. In addition, its ability to bend composite and steel pipe, along with a bend angle of up to 180 degrees, makes it an indispensable tool. Weighing 13 kilograms and priced at $3,480, the Robent 4000E takes technology and efficiency to a new level. If you thought that was impressive, wait until you see the next incredible tool that redefines efficiency and makes your job faster and easier. The Works Nitro 20-volt wet dry vacuum is the cordless vacuum that changes the way you clean. Ideal for any environment, from your car to your garage, this versatile vacuum can handle both dry and wet debris. And that's just the beginning. Equipped with up to 6 amp-hour PowerShare batteries, 2 nozzles, 2 power modes, and a hose that extends up to 2 meters, the Works Nitro is designed for effective, hassle-free cleaning. With an 8-liter capacity for dry debris and 3 liters for wet debris and a shoulder strap for easy transport, everything you need is at your fingertips for just $200. That was amazing. But the next invention is one of those must-have tools that'll make your life easier and take your work to a new level. Now let's talk about the Pico Pipe, a tool that may look simple but hides cutting-edge technology. Designed to clean metal pipes from 5 to 20 centimeters in diameter without creating dust, the Pico Pipe uses pressurized aluminum oxide to deliver flawless results. With a cleaning level of SA3 SP5, it removes all visible paint and rust contaminants, leaving the metal uniformly white or gray. Best of all, the aluminum oxide can be reused, speeding up the process and reducing costs. This is just the beginning, and what follows will make you see Pico Pipe as an indispensable tool in your arsenal. What you've just seen is just an introduction. The next gadget is a unique tool that'll amaze you with its design and unparalleled functionality. The G-Vorks nail gun redefines power and precision in fastening tools. Ideal for working with masonry or steel structures, this powder-actuated nail gun offers adjustable impact force at 5 different levels. With a kit that includes safety glasses and earplugs, the G-Vorks nail gun guarantees not only effectiveness, but also safety. And the most amazing part, all this for only $24.50. And that's just the beginning. What follows is an incredible power tool that is not only advanced, but redefines the concept of technological innovation. The Spider Burr PC2000 is the ultimate tool for beveling external pipes with precision and ease. Compatible with cordless drills from 14 volts, this model offers a working range from 75 to 110 millimeters. Its automatic adjustment and ability to work with PVC, ABS, and CPVC pipe make it a versatile and essential tool for professionals. For just $179, you get a robust and effective tool that adapts to different needs. This is just a step towards the extraordinary. The next product is an innovative tool for efficiency that promises to change your approach to work and productivity. Developed by a father and son team in Australia, the Lockjaw Ladder Grip is the ultimate solution for increased safety on construction sites. This innovative clamp attaches to the gutter in just 5 seconds, providing unwavering stability for your ladder. What does it have? You won't believe it. With the ability to support a static load of 100 kilograms, the Lockjaw Ladder Grip is ideal for supporting weight and providing a firm base when working at height. At $260, it's an investment in safety and peace of mind, ensuring that every climb is safe and stable. If that impressed you, the next advance is an amazing hand tool for any task that truly stands out for its capacity and innovative design. The TopChuke 9-in-1 is the multifunctional tool you didn't know you needed. With a 2,000-watt motor, this tool is designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Combining a hammer drill, electric drill, impact drill, circular saw, jigsaw, orbital sander, angle grinder, and cordless flashlight, TopChuke is a versatile and powerful option for any task. Want to transform your work experience? This all-in-one tool is perfect for that, offering unparalleled functionality and power in a single tool. At just $299, it's a bargain for anyone looking for versatility and efficiency. The next product will make you rethink everything you know about multi-purpose tools, offering a unique combination of capabilities that leave you speechless. The Bosch GWS 9115 is a compact angle grinder that combines power with portability. With a 900-watt motor and a 115mm diameter reel, this tool offers optimal performance for cutting and grinding tasks. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it perfect for extended use. There's more to this product. With an adjustable guard, anti-restart feature, and quick-release gear cover, the Bosch GWS 9115 ensures safety and comfort every time you use it. Priced at $70, It's a reliable and efficient option for professionals and do-it-yourselfers. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments.